Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to grill this awesome side dish, Hasselback baguette. So stay tuned. It's time to grill. I always love the fast and easy side dishes you can just make without much preparation. So this is one of these. Let's get started with tomato, mozzarella cheese, a French baguette or French bread. I don't know what you call this exactly in the US, but I bet you see what I mean. Fresh basil, some olive oil, and a little bit of seasoning. So that's all you need. Of course, I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description. You can check it out like always. There are maybe some other interesting links for you, so don't miss that. So we're gonna get started slicing the tomato, and after slicing the tomato, we're gonna slice the mozzarella cheese as well. So I'm gonna speed this up in the meantime a little bit. Make sure to have a sharp knife. If you're interested in these knives, I'll put a link in the video description as well. These are portion designed knives by Chroma. Really sharp, really cool. So if you're not into mozzarella, you can use other cheese. The size of these mozzarella and these tomatoes are just perfect for the size of the baguette. So if you have a smaller baguette, make sure to take smaller tomatoes. This makes it much easier. So if you know how to cut Hasselback potatoes, that's the step to go exactly the same with the baguette. Make sure to take a sharp knife and cut the bread about half or 1 centimeter halfway down. Make sure not to cut these completely, otherwise your baguette will break. Then take a sharper, smaller knife and cut it like so, every second piece of bread, and then we can open the bread. I did a lot of stuffed breads in the past, and my major problem was that there was not much space or not enough space if you want to have a real stuffing. So that's the way to go. Now we have a lot of space for stuffing, and of course the idea of taking tomato and mozzarella and fresh basil is kind of an Italian idea. Feel free to add anything you like. Of course you can add a slice of chorizo, andouille sausage. There are millions of possibilities right now. If you are into Italian, then the next step is to take some fresh basil here. Of course, fresh sage, for example, would work fine as well, like the saltimbocca video I did a week ago. And then just take 1 slice of tomato, 1 slice of mozzarella cheese, and a leaf of fresh basil. I will speed this up a little bit. You know how to do this one. Almost ready. We're gonna add some olive oil here. This adds a nice crust and it helps the seasoning to stick on the bread. So last step is season this one. We used Jack and Smoke, smoked salt and whiskey pepper, my own mixture in cooperation with Spice Bar. And these right now they stick to the bread. So take your bread, and now last step, we're gonna throw this on the grill. The first and the last burner is on, and we're gonna grill this one for approximately 20 to 25 minutes until it's crispy and the cheese starts melting. So only some more minutes, and that's the result. So we have a crispy and really juicy sandwich. Due to the fact that you use tomato and mozzarella cheese, it stays juicy in the inside. I'm gonna give this a shot right now. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, leave me a comment. We're seeing us again next Barbecue Thursday. Thanks for watching, I'm out, see you.